Imagine a room with 100 people in it. Now imagine 84 out of those 100 people having an inability to trust. That's how staggering that number is when someone has been betrayed. You know, I talk about the study that I did very often in other videos that made 3 discoveries. One of them is that there's a collection of symptoms so common to betrayal, it's known as post-betrayal syndrome. We've had probably 90,000 or so people take the post-betrayal syndrome quiz on our site to see to what extent they're struggling. And 84% of them have an inability to trust. Now, think about how that plays out in your life. Think about how that shows itself in the decisions you make or in your lack of trust in yourself about how to make decisions. Think about how that impacts you in relationships going forward or in a new relationship with the person who hurt you. Think about how a lack of trust in the person who hurt you, in self-trust always gets shattered when there's been a betrayal. And then in everyone and everything, we have such a shattering of trust. So think about how that plays out in your life if that trust isn't rebuilt. Now, I'm not saying it's easy, but it absolutely can be, and it's so important. But people go about it where they feel so upset, they're so hurt, they're so blindsided, they just want to trust again. And what they're doing is they're avoiding and neglecting the work that needs to happen before you can safely, confidently, and calmly trust again. So if 84% of people who've been betrayed have their trust shattered, that means 84% of them need to have that trust rebuilt in order for them to be able to feel safe again, love again, trust again. Follow for more. This is all we do within the PBT Institute. That number is staggering. I'll be sharing more stats from the study, but if you are struggling with an inability to trust, know that there is a proven, predictable way to learn how to trust again, and I'm here to help.